Hello people, I'm Bharat Acharya. Welcome to our new video. So today we're doing 8085 microprocessor programming on the simulator. Yes, you've been requesting me a lot for doing this right from the time you saw me making videos on simulator programming for 8051 microcontroller and then for 8086 microprocessor. You've been sending me requests, so please do at least one video on this. Of course, why one? We'll do many. So in today's video, first of all, I'm going to show you how to use a simulator, how to enter a program, how to enter values in the memory. That's very important because that's how you test your program. That's exactly what the examiner will do in your practical exam. When you run your program, you will think, yes, you got all right. The examiner will come, enter some strange values, and then run the program. If your program works, that's it, you get full marks. So I'm going to show you how to interfere with the memory, how to enter input values, run the program, how to do single stepping, check whether your program is right or wrong, and if it's wrong, identify the area of problem and solve it. We're going to be doing 5 programs in this video. Hope to see you there. Wish you all the best. Do well.